Ever wondered where the magic happens? Where the numbers crunch and the dreams take flight? The headquarters of Lunar Bank, a digital banking revolution, remains a bit of a mystery. Lunar Bank, a neobank that's reshaping the financial landscape, has taken the world by storm. With its sleek app, innovative features, and customer-centric approach, it's no surprise that people are curious about the minds behind this digital marvel. But where exactly is this innovative bank headquartered? Unlike traditional banks with towering skyscrapers and bustling lobbies, Lunar Bank operates in a more discreet manner. They've chosen a digital-first approach, prioritizing technology and remote work. This allows them to be agile, efficient, and accessible to customers worldwide. The digital nomad lifestyle. Many of Lunar Bank's employees embrace a digital nomad lifestyle, working from anywhere in the world with a stable internet connection. This flexible work arrangement fosters creativity, innovation, and a diverse workforce. It also aligns with the bank's core values of freedom, flexibility, and financial empowerment. A global network. While Lunar Bank doesn't have a physical headquarters in the traditional sense, they maintain a global network of offices and hubs. These locations serve as collaborative spaces for team members to meet, brainstorm, and connect. However, the majority of the work is done remotely, leveraging advanced communication tools and cloud-based technologies. The future of banking. Lunar Bank's approach to work and operations is a glimpse into the future of banking. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect more financial institutions to adopt similar models. This shift towards remote work and digitalization will not only benefit employees, but also empower customers with greater convenience and accessibility. The bottom line. So, where is Lunar Bank HQ? The answer is simple: it's wherever the work gets done. Whether it's a cozy coffee shop in Tokyo, a serene beach in Bali, or a bustling city center in London, Lunar Bank's employees are connected by a shared vision and a passion for innovation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.